Hey you guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will see that how to set up a ultimate member WordPress plugin into your website. In this video we'll cover there are 6 steps we are going to cover in this video. How to set up a ultimate member WordPress plugin into your website, how to create a login and register page for the ultimate member, and third step is set up login and logout pages to website menu section, how to create a registration and login form using Ultimate Member, how to recover deleted pages of Ultimate Member, how to hide pages from logout members. So guys, if you are creating a membership website or a business website where you want to get people registered to your website, so that time you need to consider these types of plugin. So the Ultimate Member is a popular WordPress plugin and it's completely free. So if you are installing this WordPress plugin at first time, so you might be facing some issues like how to create pages of ultimate member like login or register, or if by mistake if you have deleted some pages, then how you can recover them, and how to hide pages from logout members. So in the case if you want to hide some pages and you want to show specific pages of your website to those members who gets registered to your website, so after the login they are able to see your specific pages. So let's get started. So I will show you all the steps on the live website. You can see the website here. So this is the website. So here first what you need to do, just need to install the Ultimate Member plugin. So just go to your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section, click to the add new. So this is the WordPress plugin directory. Here you can search Ultimate Member. So the plugin is available in the WordPress directory itself. So here is the plugin which is already installed in this website. So if you have not installed yet, you can install and activate it. So after installing or activating the plugin, just go to the plugin settings. So again go to the plugin, install plugins. You can see that here Ultimate Member dashboard is here. Go to the dashboard. So first thing what you need to do here, so the first steps we will cover. So we have already set up the Ultimate Member on our website. So now what we will do here, we'll create pages for Ultimate Member like login and register. So let's check the pages. When you install the Ultimate Member, it will automatically create all the pages. Like let's go to the setting. So here you can see all the pages created by Ultimate Member by default. You can see the user page which is here, login page, register page, member page, logout page, account page, password reset page. So all the pages are on their places. So don't need to do anything, don't change any pages, otherwise the plugin will not work. So now the third step is set up login and logout pages to website menu section. Okay, so now go to your website menu section. From this tab, appearance, menu, so here I already set it. I will remove these pages. Okay, so on your menu section, if you have not created a menu yet, then you can create new one, and you will see all the default pages of Ultimate Member. Like if I want to show to my menu section like register and logout page, just I will click to the add to menu. You will see that pages are here, and just click to save. And you can see here the register and logout button are visible on the menu section of the website. Okay, so now the next step is create registration and login form. Again go to the Ultimate Member plugin section, go to the form. Okay, the forms, So by default you will get these three forms by default. So you can edit the same form here. The registration form is here. You can customize it is according to your needs. So here is I have customized the form already. You can see that I will ask from user their first name, last name, email address and password. And if I want to add mobile number as well, and go to here, there are some fields already available in the Ultimate Member dashboard. Predefined fields are there. Like if I want to add mobile number, I can go here and add it. So you can see now I can drag and drop it here. Okay, so just click to update. So now someone will going to register to your website, the form will be visible and he needs to add mobile number as well as. So let's check it how it works. I will show you it in new incognito window, because as a new user how it looks like to the new user. So if someone clicks to register, so you will see these steps here, like mobile number as well as. So you can ask mobile number, email, whatever fields you want you can add from this form from here, or you can delete as well as. Okay, so now it has been deleted. Okay, now I can refresh. The mobile number section will be okay. We'll go on here. So now we'll talk about login page. Again, go to the form. You can see here the login page. Edit it. Here I'm asking mobile number and password. When someone wants to log in to my website, they need to fill out these details. They need to provide mobile number and password. And if you want to, user can get login to your website using email address, so you can add email address also here. You can see email address, and I can delete the mobile number. Okay, so I deleted the mobile number section and update it. So for login form as well as register form, you will get a shortcode. So you have a capability here. You can add this shortcode where you want to add. Like you can create a new page, or you also can add this shortcode to your existing pages where you want to show your login page or registration form. Okay, now you can see if someone wants to register my website, he can go to the register tab here, and if the user is already registered, so you can click here to the login tab. He will get login pop up here, and by entering email and password he can get login. And the another scenario is here that if I want to show privacy policy, if someone wants to register to my website, so you can read my privacy policy page before getting registered. So how I can show this option is available here. You can go to the Ultimate Member registration form, and here is the option, want to show privacy policy or not. You can show here, and you can select your privacy policy page as well as. So the user will see the privacy policy link here. You can read your privacy policy terms and conditions before getting registered to your website. So the next step is how to recover deleted pages of Ultimate Member. But before, I will show you that how to hide pages from logout member, because for to cover these steps I need to delete all the pages. But before that, we'll understand how to hide pages from logout member. So suppose if I want to hide my service page like this, let me show you. If I want to hide my service page from the users who haven't registered to my website yet, so how can I do this? Just go to their website WordPress dashboard, go to the appearance menu section, and here are all the pages you can see. So if I want to hide my service page from the logout user, so how can I do? Okay, who can see this menu link? Logged in user. I have chosen logged in user. So now the people who gets login to my website, they only able to see this page, the service page. Okay, just click to save it. Let's check. So now here I am not logged in here. You can see that the service page is not visible. But if I am logged in, then you can see the service page is visible. And if I want to hide the logout option from the menu section, if the user is not logged in yet, so I don't want to show logout page because of he didn't log in yet. So once he logged in, I will show them the logged out page. So how can I do that? Go to the menu section again, the logged out page. Who can see? Only logged in user can see this page. Just click to save. So what I did here, just refresh it. So the logged out members can't see my service page and the logged out page. They can see only register page here. So once they get registered and logged in, they will be able to see the pages like service and logged out page. But I don't want to show register page because they already registered and logged in. So go to again menu section, go to the register page. Who can see the logged out user? Only can see my register page. Just refresh it. Okay, so if I am logged in, then I can see the logout page, and if I am not logged in yet, I can see the register page. Got it? Now we'll cover the steps how to recover deleted pages of Ultimate Member. Again, I'll show you by need to do here. I need to delete all the pages first. The Ultimate Member default pages, login page, account page, logout page, member page, register page, and user page. Okay, password reset page of the Ultimate Member. Move to trash. Done. So I have deleted all the pages of Ultimate Member, the default pages of Ultimate Member. Now how I can recover those pages? Just go to the Ultimate Member, setting, click to MISC tab. Now you can see that all the pages are disturbed. The only home page is by default selected here. Just go to the MISC, remove data on uninstall, click here, click to save changes. So now I have deleted all the pages and I don't have any default pages of Ultimate Member. What I can do here to recover the pages, just go to the plugin section again, deactivate the Ultimate Member plugin, delete it completely from your website. Again go to the plugin, add new, search Ultimate Member, install it, activate it, go to the Ultimate Member dashboard. You will see option here, over here, just click create pages. All the pages now created again. Click to save. So guys, we have covered all the steps which people are facing while they are setting up Ultimate Member plugin. So if you have any queries, you can drop the comment in the comment section. I will happy to reply. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel, because we are going to cover lots of another technical videos on our channel. Thank you so much for watching.